Uh, I'll walk backwards into the future with my eyes fixed on the past. Uh, I'm so fortunate to be here. Um, Anajak Thai is 43 years old. I'm 38 years old. How does that make sense? My restaurant's older than me. It's like having a house that's older than you, or an older sibling, you know? Um, anyone, just by show of hands, anyone, I know some, have taken over their parents' business, bakery, restaurant? Huh? Anyone? Yes? Oh, give it up for this person right here. Woo! I, I don't envy you, but I feel you, and I empathize with all you that have done that. I often wonder why it doesn't happen in America more often. I just think about that. I'm driving. I'm like, why don't people do this more often? And then I look at myself, and I'm like, that's why. You know, like it's uh, it's kind of challenging. But perhaps we believe that we can become independent or independently wealthy within one generation. Um, and so we kind of leave the past behind because we're like, this is my life. I got this thing. I'm going to do it and forget what mom and dad did. I was kind of like that myself. It's the restaurant, and this is me and Dad. Dad had a stroke 5 years ago, 6 years ago now, and he's a really, really good cook. I mean, I'll never cook on the walk as good as he can. It's just his movements and everything. And all he wants to do is do that again, and he can't. But it stays in my mind and my memory, and hopefully his muscle memory is kind of like mine, hopefully, or the other way around. Okay, so this is the talk. How to take over your parents' restaurant in 5 easy steps. Let's do it. It's so simple. It's only 5 steps. Oh, wait. Easy redacted. Okay. No, my father achieved the American dream. I'm proof that he achieved. I'm the product of the American dream. He came here when he was a young man, and they never asked me if I wanted to take over the restaurant. Never. But I sat there and I watched them do it for all these years, and something kind of sparked in me, this unexplainable something, But I had my own thing, right? It was the independence thing that I was talking about. I became an artist. It's kind of born a painter. I became an art director, conceptual artist for Disney. You can look it up. Anyways, it's great place, and I learned a lot there. But when I came back to the restaurant, I had so much to learn. Dad had his stroke in May, and the next day, I basically left my job, and I was cooking on the walk the next day, trying to remember. How would he do this? I was looking at his recipe cards. I should have put it up. There was one, it's for tamarind sauce, and it says 25 scoops of sugar. What is a scoop? So I called Dad. Dad, what the hell is a scoop? We converted all the recipes, don't worry. It's all in grams now. And I had to earn the trust of the team. They'd been working for Dad for like 20 years. And they're so talented, but they didn't really trust me. So I thought that I would try to earn their love the old school way, which is tacos. I was like, okay, I got this. Look up all these books and stuff. And anyways, I made carnitas, confit the pork in this broken oven, and then I got some nice tortillas, and the guys were like, hey, this is pretty good. Maybe this dude knows what he's doing. And that's kind of how Taco Tuesday was born. Thai Taco Tuesday, TTT. Oh, this is Dad, by the way, when he was standing. I know. He's making a crab in this picture. The celebrities on the wall. If anyone can name any one of these. Huh? Can anyone name any? Oh, the Fonz! Oh my God, yeah. He's here twice, by the way. I just love him. I love him, Yeah. So I did Thai Taco Tuesday, and then my mom goes, what are we, Mexican restaurant now? I was like, no. And then we did a 26-course omakase. Insane. Just off of whim, we were doing this every month. And then she goes, omakase? No, we're a Japanese restaurant? I'm like, no, Mom, don't worry, And she's like, okay. And then now there's 600 SKUs of wine in this tiny little place. And she goes, oh, we're a wine bar now? I was like, no, I guess I don't know. So it's kind of this multiple personality disorder type place, you can feel it. It's like Picasso. It's like you're looking at two things in three different views. We changed the culture too, this kind of chef culture, at the same time. And a lot of people ask me, how did I do it? How did it become such a sensation? And actually, one of the speakers in the back, she was like, you have to tell me how you did it, because I want my son to take over for me. And I was like, I don't know. Because I watched them, I watched them as a kid. I watched them through the recession, 2007, 2008. Then they opened on Mondays. There was 7 days a week. It was just the two of them. And I looked at them, and they're older, My parents are older. My dad's 75 now. I felt the mortality of them. I felt like I had to do something. But you know what I believe? I believe that because I came from this different industry, so I kind of feel like an outsider and an insider at the same time. I feel that creativity it's kind of like money. It's fungible. You move it from one place to another place, and you can just transfer that energy, however you want. If you're really smart about it,